He said, "I'm staying to talk to the priest." And he never spoke to the girl again. He had found his calling. This photo shows the whole family together. The son, now in the priesthood, stands out. Where did the religious vocation come from, Olaf asks. When did you realize that was what he was going to do with his life? Maria says, "I think it was the way we were brought up at home. Father and mother had us embrace the faith from birth, and we followed their example. As for a religious vocation, it is famous sibling. Were you very close?" Maria Elena responds, "Because of our age difference, I can't really say much about him around the house. But he was always very kind, very protective. That's the picture I still have." A photo of the boys' first communion reflects the social standing the family enjoyed. When Jorge Mario Bergoglio grew up, Olaf asked, "Was there a woman in his life?" The orders.